In power supply products, such as charging piles, server power supplies, and other high-power supplies, as well as inverters, multiple IGBTs or transistors are used. These components need to be assembled and fixed on heat sinks. Between the heatsink and the IGBT, an insulating ceramic sheet is placed, and thermal paste is applied. Additionally, rubber pads or heat shrink tubes are fitted onto the leads of the IGBT and transistors. This assembly is used for overall installation on the corresponding positions of the PCBA printed circuit board assembly. The FL917 equipment is specifically designed and developed for the fully automated assembly of heat sinks for such processes. The system includes manual placement of heat sinks, automatic application of thermal paste or thermal grease, fully automated placement of ceramic sheets, fully automated placement of IGBTs or transistors, automated screw fastening, and automatic insertion of heat shrink tubes or rubber pads. This highly improves work efficiency and ensures the precision and consistency of the product processing. The equipment has been successfully applied in various related factories, with each unit saving 10 to 20 human laborers. The equipment adopts a fixture reflow line design, which is compact and flexible. It allows for easy fixture replacement for products of different specifications, depending on the assembly process. Various workstations can be shielded, turned on, or replaced, offering high compatibility. Visual and precise sensing methods are used for fine detection, ensuring the quality and consistency of each process and the final product.